Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Paige and today we're going to talk about the rat house. So basically the rat house is an investment property that we have, and it had a rat infestation and people gutted it, and now we are going back in to renovate it, and I'm going to show you what the inside looks like.
Like my safety shoes?
Yo, it's hot in here.
So that's what we're working on today. There's no vent, and we're gonna go straight back with a T instead of a Y. And yeah, I'm gonna zoom out so y'all can see. Look at this. You should have seen how bad it was before all the gutting though. And this is the other bathroom. Eventually we want to work on taking the shower from an exterior wall to go the interior. And then there's like an attic upstairs and then a small little basement that gets flooded when it rains.
That pipe has probably been in there for 100 years. Yeah, if I'm around, you just gotta tell me you're videoing, because
It's okay.
You might get some.
you
Shouldn't.
schmegma on me from something.
Shouldn't, but.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Look at that.
Ew, nobody just smelled that.
Is that? Put that in that plate.
So it's actually the next day. We're back here. We had 2-inch fittings and pipe for everything, and then realized that it's 1.5 cast and we're not going to increase it. So then we just returned everything and got the new stuff, and now we're back here this morning to actually do it. So far we cut out all the old stuff, which is down there, and then downstairs through this little hole there's a coupling. Peyton's doing some work right now, but we threaded in a coupling over here that's PVC that we're gonna run pipe a 90 come up, and then we'll have a T out to the laundry out there and have a standpipe, and then also another T for the trap, and then probably a Studer somewhere here so that it's vented, because it was not vented at all. So we're trying to make it more accurate. let me show you what we did. So this is cast, right? And then we transitioned it because this is 1.5 inch, and we did it all in 1.5 inch, 90 up, and then we're gonna go upstairs and show you the rest. That's for the washer, that's for the sink. It's left uncovered at the top. Trap and that. Yeah, because they're gonna put a vent. That's what I'm saying about this. It's a T. Another day, another sleigh. We're going to the rat house to get some work done. Check out my fit. Yeah. Today, we're gonna be shopping for supply line and drainage stuff. And then I think we might start piping it, but not finish it. It's just to get progress done. Peyton's judging me very hardcore right now. Say hi. Yep, that's what today has in store for us. Let's go. Okay. So we went to Grove Supply and got literally so much stuff because it's cheaper than going to Home Depot, right? I forgot literally the one most important fitting that we wanted for today, and they were a little upset with me.
Nobody's upset with you. It's fine.
Peyton's laughing a lot, and Dad's like cursing. Yeah, so we're gonna go take it apart, but we don't have the fitting, so I'm dumb. Well, I'm not dumb. I just forgot, okay? I forgot. But also, it felt really nice that the workers there were like, oh yeah, I remember you. You were that plumber girl who like slayed at in skills. And then I was like bragging about Peyton, and it was so cool because they were respecting us. And so many times I used to feel so small and like stupid and, you know, around guys who were in the industry, and they respected me. So it was cool. Let's go. Resume.
Ew, I'm kidding. Can I ask why you need a glove?
I don't do what is
Yes, I do.
It's not even that funny. Why are we laughing?
I really don't know. Here, you just hold this for me though.
Yummy.
I don't want anything to splatter on my face. We're good.
Yeah.
Yippee!
How much is on there?
Ooh, sorry.